Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. Every couple has a story, and for today's video we are here at the Faris Camp. It's located in Valencia, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. So I am here with my family and friends. They're at the back. So we arrived here in Dumaguete yesterday and we checked in there in Sulit Budget Hotel. That's very affordable per night, like $20 per night. And because we need to look for lower price because we've been staying for 5 days here. And I'm gonna show you the view here right now. So this is the place here. Tanaw sa taas asa sila ganahan ba? O diri ba? So they have a lots of swimming pool. Mostly it's fresh water, mountain water. So I bet the water is very cold because last night it's been raining hard.
There's stuff for kids. Oh, that's
Yeah, if that's for kids.
all.
Yeah. And
Even that one.
yeah. Kuan kay ba nature kayo no? Ato sa Pikas po dito na yung mga kawa-kawa ato Pikas.
Ano pikasa?
Ano rin? Dako manggod kay ni. No, dapat dito sa Pikas. We go to the other side first lang ga. They have a lots of swimming pool that you can choose. And also they have a restaurant here. We've been eating here last time for lunch, and they have really delicious foods and very affordable. So my husband is there right now. Pumunto ni Ari si tatay.
Wait, I put in my bag.
Yes. Oh, there's a big fish, Virgil. Cute.
Coins also.
Oh, there's more here. Lots of this is, I think, looks like a wishing wheel. You have lots of coins there. They have lots of big fish. Naman din ang zip line diri. They have also a zip line, but this time they close it because it's not safe, because it's slippery. And they have also some hanging bridge. I've been taking some video last time here, but I not remember. Are the speakers na? Dito na siya di abesh ka ni diri. Diri na ito nga ligo. Natoy ka, darang kawa ay. Itort na mo sa akong asinda. Asinda nga hinulaman. We tore them because it's their first time. So that's my friend there, Lynette, and my best friend Giselle and her daughter Rain. Na awad, dito ka diri obish pa picture ka. Oh, sa kawa kon kuan niya ba. Nice. That's the you can take some picture here with mag-swimsuit. Hanging bridge nila. That's the hanging bridge. That's hanging bridge. Nice kayo. Look at that. We are here at the hanging bridge. Virgin hold. Look at that. It's really nice here. Very peaceful. And you can also hear the sounds of the bird. Look at how nice it is. Napa dito sa baba po na natin. Dito unahan. Mga kuan po. Tingnan ni. Nice. Uy. Nice pas mambukal, bish no? Mambukal. Nice pas mambukal. Like that. Very nice. And that's their zip line there, but it's not, they are closed this time. Fresh mountain water, guys. Look at that. Very nice place to unwind. Kuwan din siya tidiri dapita kay mountain water din na siya. Di na wala siya, di na siya chlorinated. Very nice. So I am here at the back side. They have also this swimming pool here and some cottages. It's really nice here, guys. You need to visit her forest camp. It's located in Valencia, Negros Oriental in Dumaguete City. So they have also here. Look at that, guys. This is the back side. As you can see. It's very relaxing on here. The entrance fee is only 200 pesos. Then you can swim in that price. It's unlimited. For 200 pesos, it's unlimited. And you have a lot of swimming pools that you can choose. And it's really a nature here. Looks like I feel at home and it's just so relaxing. So, and you can unwind here and forget all your problems. So this is their first time that they've been here. My friends, it's their first time to be here. So I'm glad that I take them here. We take them here. And maybe by next time, I'm gonna bring my whole family here. My parents, my sisters, my grandma. I'm gonna let them visit here so they can enjoy themselves. So I'm gonna get Virgil's outfit so that he can go swimming. Look at that. Mas nice dito, Besh. Sa Luyo.
Ayan. Tapos look away. Ayan. Dito.
Ayan. Mas nice dito sa Luyo kaysa dire. Tulo ka sa kuan dito. Wala kay mga tao. Sag-asa. Wishing well. So I'm gonna check my husband what he got. Maybe he drank some coffee. So I'm gonna show you also the other side here. And it's just so relaxing on here. Oh, di ara pag-ilis. Virgil is excited to go. Virgil is excited to go swimming. What did you got? You got coffee?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not gonna swim with fish.
Yeah.
You hear that ring?
Look at Virgil and Ray. So we're gonna go to this side here. Hi guys, Samo. Hi guys. Virgil, hi guys.
Hi guys.
So Virgil and Rain, we're gonna go swimming now, and we're gonna go swimming soon also. Harvey, nice di Harvey, oh. Look at how nice it is. Go na. It's over here too. Ayaw na di kay lalom diri. Tawa kawa ba magkuan ka? Sakay ka di magkuan ka diha.
Taga diri ra ni Ray.
I-try sa ba try? Gonna try. Ibilin na mong kuan dito ka sandal. Leave your sandal there with daddy ka. Kasunod dito sa kawa be. Ituran mo na mo. Other side po ka, Jill. Hindi na siya cold pa sa mawit na ka. Hindi na siya cold pa sa magbasa na siya. Hindi na sa bignaw. Virgil said it's very cold because it's a fresh mountain water. Very cold. Virgil, look at lang the camera, Virgil. So we're gonna go swimming soon. I have my outfit with me. So Virgil is in the other side over here, down here. Laumte, they are over here on the side. It's really nice in here. Ayaw gihabi kay deep be. Very nice. And they're gonna do slide. We're gonna do some slides and I'm gonna walk down over there. So we're gonna eat our lunch here. We're gonna order some foods later. Uy, sige ko na yun. Akong gipilo akong shirt. I'm gonna do some picture over there. Bish, ari ko sa ubos ha. And we're gonna do selfie, guys, because don't forget about the selfie. Selfie is life here. Picture, picture. I'm gonna do some picture here in the hanging bridge. And they have a lot of guests right now. So this is the other side of the resort here in Paris Camp. So they have some tables and chairs here that you can rent. Look at the water. It's very clear. The water is very clear, as you can see. And let's walk going to the top. And they have over here also, guys. They have some big cottages over here. Beside. And look at the paradise. We are here in paradise. It's very nice, very relaxing. Flowing water. And Virgil and my friends is over here in this side here at the bottom. They've been enjoying themselves. Just needs to be careful because it's very slippery. Look at that. They've been enjoying themselves. Mas dako itong space sa kuan. Ay, nagkuha mo rin ka. They've been, akong gitawas akong video. Look at that. They've been enjoying themselves here. And we have a lots of guests today just arrived. And look at the river here. It's really big. Nagkuan ko vlog. Look at that. Very nice. Yasa, ako sa nitiwason. Look at that. Picturean tika diha. Look at my friend has been pulled. She's been pulled. So look at this. Virgil has been riding the horse. And it's just about 15 minutes. It's been a long time that he's not been riding a horse. Let's see. Oh, they have some fish pond here. Oh, they have a lot of tilapia here. Tilapia fish. So we're still here in Forest Camp and they have this horseback riding. So Virgil is trying to experience the horseback riding again because it's been a long time since he rides some horse. So this is at the back of the Forest Camp. I think this is still part of the Forest Camp. This is their farm here. It's really nice. So he's enjoying the rides. Virgil, are you enjoying? He's enjoying the rides. Look at him. Yes. Oh my gosh. They have a lot of ducks here. I'm gonna show you guys the ducks here. Look at that. They have a lot of ducks. Wow. Different kinds of ducks. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. So Virgil is over there. I just need to wait him here so they can do some video on the way back here. Wow, they have lots of ducks in here. Maybe there's a crocodile here on this side. Oh, there's a big farm here at the back. So lots of animals. They have some fish pond over here. Maybe there's a fish there. Look at that. So I'm still waiting for Virgil. So we're on the way back now. Look at that. So he's enjoying. He wants the horse will run. So it's more faster. I should not let him do that. He wants more faster. More faster. So shaky, shaky. So we really had an enjoyable time here at the Forest Camp. He's run. try kadiyot. The horse is been running. Lulula. That's cute. Virgin is really enjoying. So, I think that's all for today, guys. We really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos. Thank you so much again for all the nice comment. Thank you so much for the love and support. I'll see you guys on my next video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys, and God bless us all.